11 heavy-duty adapters. This is the LockNLube Aviation Greasing Accessory Kit. Now don't let the name fool you. We did develop this with the specific needs of aviation and aerospace in mind, but these high-quality heavy-duty adapters will work on any machine, anywhere you have hard-to-reach fittings. Actually super lightweight, so that this can go in the toolbox, in the truck, wherever you need it. These are built to be extra long reach and specifically suited for a variety of difficult situations. For specifically hard to reach fittings, you can get around corners, you can get in specifically deep places, angles, 45s, 90s, any hard to reach fitting. Now here you'll notice that we have a reference guide so that if any of these adapters maybe walk off the job site or end up in your friend's truck, you know exactly how to find them. These are all also sold individually. On the back of all the adapters, you'll find our standard quick connect grease fitting, so you can grab this with your LockNLube coupler, use it, and easily disconnect and return this to the case. This is the Aviation Greasing Accessory Kit from LockNLube. This can be found exclusively on our website and through authorized LockNLube dealers. Thanks for watching.